They just look bad. But yeah, bro. We about to go into the school. And I'm gonna get back at y'all when we get in there. I feel like my back out, y'all. I don't know if it is, but I hope not.
We about to be testing all day.
We're not gonna be testing all day, y'all.
Yeah,
We
dang near. I should start crawling on all fours and chase people.
Don't.
What? It's the last day, girl. Might as well.
But, you know, I feel good. I look good. I smell good. I should care about me.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
Oh. I'm gonna go over there. Bye.
That's my exact problem.
Let me get it in. What's up, bro?
I wonder
Why would you turn it like that? Oh my god. I would hate to take 3 exams. But Binky, Miss Villar said I'm not supposed to be taking any.
why.
Because my grade was fine and my absences were fine. They're just making me take it.
I'm gonna get back at y'all when I get in the cafeteria. The cafeteria is literally right there. So we'll be there in like
0.5 seconds.
nothing's funny right now. I can't do it. It was sexy. I see fine, John. I see fine, John. What are you talking about, bro? Where? You can't tell nobody nothing because then they're gonna get the look in it.
Ah, you guys.
What's your name, baby?
Jaden, may I have a chicken biscuit?
Yeah, it's in it. But yeah, bro. Ain't it? It's like, well, my grills. I'm not gonna run for no girl. Just a little bit. And then.
Still on YouTube?
Yeah, bro. Anyway, look on Market Live. Market right up. What's up, man?
What's up, man?
How you doing? I'm good. Yeah.
Video!
Say something. What the fuck? I said say something. What the? Nigga ain't say nothing. What's up, man? What's up?
What you doing? You YouTubing it?
Yeah.
Hey, you can go follow her on YouTube at such and such. She'll tell you the details.
Right.
Why she late to class? Who does that? Who streamed themselves being late to class? Your mom gonna see that. I hope she whoop you.
I'm graduating though.
I hope she whoop you right after graduation.
She not gonna do that.
Oh, clean and stuff.
I lost Aura.
Yeah, that's why I don't want to jump in the car.
She don't let me know.
That's my friend.
Who's taking you?
I just get nervous. I get nervous when I'm pretty girls.
No, regular.
So.
Regular, no.
I'm sorry.
Nigga, shut the fuck up, boy.
She want me to sign my shirt.
But then I was on the phone with Zakai, so I can't cry.
Should I sign it?
Anyway. You didn't hit me until I was literally like,
Bitch, look at right.
because it's only people that
Not like that.
you're gay.
Yeah, look at right. Read them showing you.
She said
Right
she
there.
put it on my nip.
Look at the couple. So cute. Give him a little smooch.
Oh,
You said what?
nothing.
What did you say?
Not for free.
I didn't say that.
They gotta pay for it. Y'all want to see them kiss? How much? How much?
This is supposed to be OnlyFans money. They gotta give you like $20, $50.
$20 for a kiss. You tripping? Y'all better give him a little tongue with it too. Somebody just made their booty clap. I mean, I don't know if they clap, but I don't like how I'm walking off this camera. Everybody be looking at me. Please stop doing that. My legs hurt from running yesterday. I was speed.
Why you got that shit on today?
Cause you know I got dressed nice. Good morning. I'm sorry. What's that smell? Hey.
Yo, fully stink. Hey.
We got a new principal, y'all. Like, I don't know. Something happening in Spoto. If y'all know, y'all know. Yeah, the couple's right there. I'm leaving. I don't want to see that. I don't like couples. I hate them. I only like when I'm with a girl, but I'm not with a girl no more. Still got love for her too. Ain't no beef, ain't no hate. I just got a compliment. They was like, you look nice. You look so put together. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I'm in the bathroom. No, I'm about to leave because they probably don't think I'm taking the dookie or something. Nah, y'all, I be taking the dookie here. Go time. I was just about to tell my vlog what you said. but she told me that she'll ship me with her daughter. I'll do that. Why would you pick me?
Just based on how I got to know you from last year.
Yeah.
Okay. I think you would balance her. You would balance her just based on your personality. Yes, I love this child.
I'm gonna get at this. Why was this $15? Y'all think this worth $15? No. Oh, y'all just seen that. They was laughing. I ain't gonna lie. I get nervous when people be laughing at me.
Your daughter has a girlfriend, miss? No. Oh, perfect. Sorry. Miss, do it. What's your daughter? Because we're girls and we care. I just said that.
Yeah.
Okay, conversation over.
That's her family, not ours.
Okay, but she told us, meaning that we're going to put our input, meaning you should just hang out.
They can do it.
Relationships.
Exactly.
They can be best friends with my boyfriend.
They can start with friends with a lot of benefits. So basically, when you left, Ms. Jones was like that. Her writing in your book reminded her that you would be perfect for her daughter.
I was writing in Jaleesa's book.
We all personally think that y'all should just like start y'all little spark.
Abby.
Wait. What's your type? What's your type? Say that first.
Do you have a type or do you just like anybody?
Wait.
Like,
I do have a type, but
okay, just like sugarcoat it a little bit.
Simplify it.
She's over looking at me, John.
You like white chocolate or dark chocolate?
Brown skin, light skin.
White chocolate's like her color.
And lighter.
And her color.
Okay, so what color do you like? Milk, white, or dark?
I mean, no, I do.
So prefer.
Light skins, brown skins.
Do you like white chocolate?
I never tried that.
Do you want to try it? If I see her
Wait till I get myself a tuber.
Miss, we're trying to help you start a love story.
No.
Why?
We're done.
What's your daughter's type? Is your hair type her?
My daughter's type is the type that I'm trying to get her away from.
Oh.
Beat her ass.
They was
Why
fighting.
don't you say eat her ass?
I thought you said eat her ass too. That's a little. Oh, her last girlfriend was a drug addict.
Oh.
That's not.
It wasn't good.
They ain't me
It was scary. So I think if you introduce these
I think they could just be friends. And just, if they start off as friends, then what they do is them. You're not dictating their love life.
I just think you should recommend her to have a friend. And yeah, you're not really in her love life. You're just giving her a boost.
And I'm pretty sure she passed all her exams.
I'm pretty sure she has good grades.
I mean, she is graduating.
I'm pretty sure she's not a drug addict. I'm pretty sure she's pretty good, miss. Pretty fun. So,
And she's starting a YouTube channel. She's getting there.
yeah, your daughter could be there too. Right.
She's literally gonna be famous.
Literally.
So,
I appreciate your input. Thank you.
Oh yeah, y'all.
Give us one reason
They
why
basically
you
trying to ship me with her daughter,
besides the inputting her love
and it
life
ain't
stuff.
working. She just recommended me.
I feel like you guys got it.
I think that's the end of that discussion. I'll get back at y'all if they start talking again. On the third period. That was some that y'all seen. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got a dookie, bro. Don't tell nobody. Don't tell nobody. Did she just point over here?
Started vlogging again.
Yeah.
Oh, we saw your vlog?
Let me see. No. Oh, you want to see me?
Oh shit, this shit hard. I hope I don't look retarded in there.
You not. You don't. But it's Nelly, y'all. She act a little scary too. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Because I thought you were trying to get up in that video.
I mean, if you want to be in it, you can. Why you acting so scared? What's wrong? You nervous or something? Yo.
Yo, vlog, what y'all got going, bro? Hey, I don't know what to say. I'm thinking we're coming back.
I mean, you know that. Come on now. Yeah, bro. We can go fast. Yeah.
Hey, how y'all doing? Y'all go follow me.
I'm gonna go to the office. Oh gosh. Do y'all got code names for people? I know I do. But basically, yeah, we just be going to pass, right?
Good, how are you doing? You ready for this test?
Yeah, weight training.
Oh.
I'm finna, you know, I'm a
You're
little.
gonna pass it though.
Yeah, you know, I got my little muzzle in. Oh, Serenity right there. Serenity. Serenity. I'm just waiting for my test. That's all. I'm finna pass it so easily, bro. Cause I be in the gym, bro. What? Who? Right there. With the wig. Not me. No. Yeah. The black next to Noah. Next to Noah.
It's not her.
Yes, it. Serenity. All right. She's so pretty, y'all. But yeah, I'll get back at y'all. I'm finna go to lunch.
Tired. I'm gonna start with you.
The fire alarm just went off, y'all. I have no idea who that is. Is this a drill? Like, so we went outside and the fire drill just went off.
Y'all be all burning. Everybody finna burn. Y'all finna just burn down.
Feel me? I used to whip this mud, but we can't drive it no more. So, yeah. I guess someone pulled the fire alarm and now we just out here for no reason. Probably just like, what is she recording for? YouTube, nigga. Let me hurry up. Because you're not finna get my attention by saying A and whistling. But yeah, it's overly hot. I'll get back at y'all when, like, there's something happening or when we get back.
Michael, let's go.
Miss Harrington, he just lived.
Do you want to be on camera or no? Are you sure? If you don't want to, you don't have to. Not fine, but I'm gonna feed them around.
Oh, no,
I'm gonna have one more right now. Okay, so the camera just randomly cut off. What are you laughing at?
Hi, Aaron. Fuck, I don't know what to do. Like, that nigga.
Wait. Stand up, bruh. Stand up. Get off your knee, cuz. Stand up. Stand up, bruh. I'm finna get up off here. Yeah, I'll get back at y'all. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie. I keep smelling something. It stink. It really do though. I ain't even lying, twin. I ain't even lying. There go DJ. What test you got? What's up?
Nigga always recording some shit like,
I just seen some y'all peep some. Talk about the phone nigga in class. I missed half of it. They arguing. Yeah, they arguing about who got the most money.
My uncle, he owned designer shoes. So I'm on designer shoes, so we can't get you don't talk about money either. Look what let's talk about who close to God. Let's talk about who passing a class. I'm just saying, look. Let's talk about who really, let's talk about who changing the world. Who really doing important things. Let's talk about who really doing things. Why are you saying that?
That wasn't towards somebody. It just smelled. So it's the end of the day, y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is my first video, so for my own personal channel, just like and subscribe to the video. And yes, man, stay tuned for the next video.
Usame the mess, G5 of the jet. I'm about to catch, I double the bed. My man is stretched.